video is part 5 of the garage overhaul series. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Today is the finale episode of the garage overhaul series. If you haven't seen the other episodes, I will link them in the iCards above, and I'll also pop them down in the description box below, and I will be making a playlist of this series. This is part 5 of 5. I really hope you guys enjoy it. We have finally gotten to the finale. We've finally gotten to the end of the garage. I have to admit, guys, this is a much bigger job than I realised it was going to be. It was a massive task we took on, and if it wasn't for my dad, this never would have gotten done. This never would have been finished, and it never would have looked nearly as good as it does now, because he knows what he's doing and I don't. If you found this video today and you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm delighted to have you here. I hope you will consider subscribing down below. Just hit the button and ring the bell and set the notifications to all to be alerted every time a new video goes live on my channel. If you enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have been here before, welcome back, and I am absolutely delighted to have you. By the way, if you found this video and you're looking for a painting tutorial, this is not it. Or watch my dad painting. He knows what he's doing. Anyway, guys, without further ado, part 5, final episode of the garage finale. Getting the rest of these few bits done. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get started. So I just wanted to quickly jump on here, guys, and just give you a quick overview of what's going to be coming up in today's video. There will be a lot of painting going on to finish off this garage once and for all. There will be decoration motivation, there will be some cleaning motivation, and of course, organisation motivation. There was a huge amount of work that went into this project over 4 days. We were working between 7 and 9 hours a day. So it was a crazy amount of work. We also had days where the weather was against us, and then on one of the other days, the cable that helps to make the garage door operate snapped on the right hand side. So it was very difficult for us to kind of figure out how to work around that. But anyway, we managed to figure out how to get the door closed, and then we also managed to reopen it the following day with success and without doing too much damage or anything like that. So this project was a lot more work than I had initially anticipated. My dad did try to warn me it was going to take 4 to 5 days to do this project. I thought it'd be around 2, but obviously he knows what he's talking about a lot more than I do, as he's done kind of projects like this before. A lot of the more detailed, intricate work like cutting it and stuff like that was done by my dad, and I literally would not have been able to get this done without him, and I'm so grateful to him for joining me in doing this project. I'm not even going to say he helped me, because we did it as a team. We really did half and half, and he did so much of this project with me. It was a project that took a lot of time, and we did have to unload and reload the garage several times, which, by the way, I have left out of the footage. I didn't put in every time we loaded and reloaded the garage, because you'd be watching the same thing 5 times. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. I really hope it gives you some motivation for your own renovation projects if you decide to do them. And I'm going to stop talking now and let you guys watch the video and listen to some good tunes. And I'll check back in with you guys in a while. They don't know you like I do. Hey guys, so we're back for day 3, I think, in the garage. We are just emptying it back out. We had to put everything back in, and we had to paint it inside yesterday because it was raining here where we are. So sorry, I'm squinting, it's very bright. But yeah, we're emptying it. We're going to finish this section today, and then hopefully we are done with the redecoration and painting of the garage. Hope you guys enjoy. So as part of the garage makeover, we have a plaster drawer unit, as I showed you in the earlier videos, and we're disassembling that because we don't need it. It's just taking up so much room. So we're going to go through the pans here. These are all the pans we've had outside. We've more in here, and we're going to decide what we're going to keep. We're going to decide what we're going to declutter and get rid of, and then these are going to go into the press under the kitchen hob, as I showed you guys months ago now, but we're finally doing them. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So I know I said under the sink or under the hob for these will be going under the hob. It's just the round baking trays. We already have a section in here for round baking trays. So they're going in there. And then these will be going in all this stuff here, which is what we're keeping, is going in under the hob. And this, and this is everything to get rid of. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Hey guys, so as part of the garage overhaul, I'm going to be transferring all this stuff to nice glass jars. So I just think aesthetically it's going to look way better. These are also all airtight, and I just think it'll look a lot better in the garage and keep everything more organised and kind of keep the aesthetic of what we're going for. So these are from, these jars are all from IKEA. This one, and this one. That's the same one twice, that one there. So I'm just going to go through them really quickly. This is the Verdagen jar, and this was €4 for this one. So it's a really big size. This one is Corkin, and this is a 1.8 litre, and this was €3. And then this is the Corkin 1 litre, and this was $2.25. So really, really good value, some really nice good quality jars. So I'm going to transfer everything and check back in the wall.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
This is the beginning of day 4, and we're going to take the drawer unit apart. I had to replace the audio here just because the wind was so bad on the day, so you literally couldn't make out anything I was saying. By the time we got to this stage of the project, the majority of the painting was done. While I was doing this, my dad was working on cutting in the rest of the roof and the ceiling and just getting all the rest of those bits done that I wasn't able to do, and the kind of more precision work, because he's a lot better at it than I am. And at the moment I'm taking down this drawer unit because it just took up an excessive amount of room, and just we weren't really using it anymore. And kind of after this we just started to sort through the recyclables, get all that organised and get stuff ready to get out of the house, including donations, electrical, all that kind of stuff. So all that stuff will be going to the recycling centre and the charity shop this week, which is going to give us more beautiful open space in the garage, which I'm really looking forward to.
You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know.
used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young. sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
That is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, I hope you'll consider hitting that like button down below, giving me a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy the kind of content I'm making. I also hope that you guys enjoyed the Garage Overhaul series. If you did, and if you took any inspiration from what we did in the series, I would love you to share any pictures or videos with me on my socials, which are listed in the description box down below and also are listed on the end card of this video. I hope you're all having an amazing, amazing weekend. I hope you have a great rest of your Friday, and I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. If you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, ring the bell and set it to all so you get notified as soon as my videos go live. This series was a different kind of thing that we haven't done before, and I think it's the biggest project I've ever taken on the channel. It was a lot of work, but I'm really, really happy with the outcome, and I think it was well worth everything we put into it. Coming in the next couple of weeks on the channel, we will have more seasonal kind of videos that we're going to be doing coming up to the holiday season and the roll up to that, and trying to get ourselves organised, ready in time for Christmas. If you have any particular requests for videos, please drop them down in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys think, because at the end of the day, I want you guys to enjoy the content that we're making on the channel. I will also link the rest of the videos in this series in the description box down below, as well as a playlist which has been made, which contains all the videos so you can watch them right through if you haven't seen the series from the start, or if you want to come back and watch them at another time. I hope everyone is keeping well, and I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.